Okay, Mike again here. 10372 Newton Way. I'm up on the roof, and here at the top of those solar tubes I was telling you about, to throw the light off into the room. The other important feature with the electrical is a new service mast was also put in, so that's pretty cool. And here's your 10 panel. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, lost you. 10 panel PV photovoltaic solar system, and that is in here. And we had tried to achieve on this house a net zero, but it came a little short. Not much, but a little bit short. And more panels probably would take care of the job, but it is what it is, I guess. 10 panel, 2.5 kW. And then another very important feature I forgot to mention. On the HVAC, the heat pump size, I mentioned to you the condenser was 2.5 ton. The heat pump is a 20,000 BTU two-stage furnace, meaning it operates normally under 15,000 BTUs. The standard heater is 80,000 BTUs. So this one operates under 15,000 BTUs, and when it gets really cold and the demand is there for more additional heat to keep the house warm, then the extra 5,000 BTUs kick in, and everything is hunky-dory and everything looks beautiful and everyone's happy. Anyway, that's it. I don't think I missed anything else. All these vent pipes, the roof jacks, all been painted, they're all new. I mean, all taken care of. So you won't have any problems with rust or anything. Oh, there's a lawn. All right, take care.